welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Brownie. So today I am going to be braiding my sister's hair. So I'm going to be using this Lush attachment. Yeah, just this one. I want to pick the attachment. So if you're still learning how to pick attachment, you want to braid someone's hair, or you're the person that likes to do your thing yourself and you're just looking for ways to pick your attachments, just stay tuned and watch this video. It's gonna be helpful for you. Stay tuned to buy. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take it out of the cap. I think I'm actually going to make this a cut 3, not a cut 2, so that it will be enough for her. So I'm just going to loosen it. Loosen. So if you're going to if you're looking for how to cut the attachment to be a cut 3 level, you have to make sure you wrap it in three ways like this. Make sure it's equal. As you can see, it's not equal yet, so I still have to measure it well. And still, okay, now it's equal. It's in 3 places already, as you can see. So I'm cutting from here first to get one part out. So just keep this aside. Cut this into 2. Make sure it's equal. That's it. So I have 3 parts. Oh, this part hasn't been cut yet. So I have 3 parts already. If you're doing cut 4, you have to make sure you have 4 parts. If you're doing cut 5, you have to make sure you have 5 parts. If you're doing cut 2, automatically you have 2 parts. If you're just doing cut 1, you want it to be very, very long, don't even cut it at all. Just leave it and pick it. Yeah, that's the way you can get your length. So yeah, I have cut the cut 3 lengths that I want now. I'm about to start picking them. So if you also don't know how to pick your attachments, watch this video. Okay, so this is how you hold it. You hold it from the tip, not fully, just hold it from the tip. Yeah, make sure you still have extra hairs out, and then you start picking. Don't hold it too tight, so that if you're drawing it, you can actually draw it with ease. So what you do is pick it out little by little, like this. As you can see. See the way I'm picking it out, like this. And as I'm picking it out, the mouth of the tip of the attachment doesn't look too blunt. Now it's kind of thin. Everything is coming out fine. It doesn't look blunt. It's coming out well. So this is how you pick it. You just keep dragging it small. Don't drag the whole attachment out. Just pick portions by portions and drag it out. That's how it works. So yeah. This is how far I've gone for the first round. So I keep picking. This is actually one of the parts I really don't like when I'm braiding, to pick the attachment and to comb it. I don't like it at all. I can cut it for you, just help me pick it, but for me, it's so stressful, to be honest. Like this, I have to pick the 3 of them at once. So that's what I'm going to do before I start making the hair, and it's quite stressful. I mean, you've not finished doing this, then you come and meet making the hair again. I mean, what kind of strength do you have to do this? Anyways, like I said, picking is not my thing, but I have to do it. Like, it's not even optional, I have to do it because she herself doesn't even know how to pick, so I have to do everything. So yeah, that's it. I'll soon be done with the first round, and when I'm done with this round, you're gonna see the second round. Yeah, I'm almost there. So I am done with the first round, and this is how it looks like. This is what yours should look like if you want to, if you're picking your attachments. So this is the end result, and so I'll just want to be done with everything, and then I comb it at once so I can just start making the hair. So yeah, this is how it looks when you're done picking. So I'm about to move to the second and third hair. So hard in the middle and start combing from the tip so you don't pack all your hairs out. I actually shed it shallow so that it doesn't become too full for me to comb. So now I'm combing it out. And this is what they all look like. Okay. For those of you that are not so wasteful, actually you have, this is the remnants from when I combed the other hair. So I'm about to pick all of them out. See what I've picked already. So I'm about to make use of this. So it's no waste actually. If you're not wasteful and you have time, you can actually pick this, okay?